So over here, you can see that I got 3 objects right here. So now if I were to click and drag this right here, you can see that like one is on top of another. You can see that the box that I have is actually behind everything right here. So if I were to click on the boxes like this, you can see on the right, you can see that you have the position option. So if I were to click on this and click on bring forward, then it comes one step forward, as you can see right here. So now this object is backward. If I want this right on the top, you can click around over here and click on bring to front, and it comes to the topmost area. Similarly, you can go around, click on send to back, and it goes right at the back, as you can see right here. So that is what you can do. You can also go around right here, so bring to front right here, and you can even use the shortcut keys that you see right here as well. So alternatively, you can right click on an object and you can go around, click on send to back to send it back, or bring it to the front to bring it to the front. Or you can go around over here and like, let's say, for example, you can send this backward right here to send it one step back, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can go around, send backward just like this, it goes one step back. So it is behind this text now. And if I were to go send backward, it goes one step back again. So that is how object positioning works inside of Prezi Design while you're designing files to place out objects in different positions. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.